What is going on everybody, Tech Enthusiast here, and in this video we're going to quickly go over the new updates from Asus. So we've got a new BIOS update and Armory Crate. Firstly, the BIOS is on version 322 and there is a bug fix which resolves an issue that caused the ROG alert to be stuck on the boot up loading screen. Secondly, we've got new fan curves. To cut it short, it's aggressive fan curves, so what it means, you'll get better performance but the fan will be a lot louder. As for the Armory Crate, we got quite a few things here. So we've got UX improvements. New features include modified FPS limiter and also adding an Alt F4 function, basically to force close any app or game, which is very handy. There's also a bunch of bug fixes which you can pause and read here if you want. Now I'm just going to run another time spy test and see what scores we get with this new BIOS update. Okay, so the scores were slightly higher than the test I done on BIOS 317. However, I have seen people get higher scores. I've ran this test probably 15 times and this is probably the best score that I've got. Okay, so that wraps up for this video. I've got more videos coming up with accessories and other recommendations. So make sure you are subscribed and I will catch up with you in the next video.